Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. What we'll be doing today is creating a post or a YouTube short, or you can even have a Instagram post, and it's going to be basically this: how to create falling stars. Okay, we will approach it with animation, and it will be with text, animation, and of course a graphic. So what you do first of all is you go to the main page of home page of Canva and you choose whichever template that you would like. For example, if you want to have a YouTube thumbnail, or let's go for Instagram story. Let's try an Instagram story. Okay, so click that and it will be sized appropriately for the Instagram story. So what you do first of all is, if you know what you want to do, you want the falling stars. Okay, so let's do that last. So let's put in the text. So the text would be, for example, what I did here was how to create falling stars. So we'll put how to create falling stars. So then we're going to bring it up here, not right to the end, but just about there. Now I want to put a black background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of that to white. Okay, so then you click the background. So when it's highlighted like that, that's the background, and you see the color palette here. So you can click black. So now you can see it. Now I want to change the font. So the font would be, um, let's see, what sort of font would I like? Mm, let's try permanent marker. Kind of like that. Okay, so the next thing we do is let's put in the animation. So you go to elements on the side and you can put in animated falling stars. Okay, in this case, this is the one that I want. So I'll click that and put it in there. Okay. So what I'll do is I'm going to cover the whole thing. So I'm just going to enlarge it. And you can leave it like that, or you can crop it. You just click up here, crop, and you bring it to the size of the post. Okay, you just bring it to the size of the post and click done. So you can see that the stars are falling, right? Now, if you put your mouse over the text and you can see the highlight, means that the text is in front of the stars, which is fine because I want to see the text. Now let's look for, go back to elements, right? And let's look for a graphic. That's, in this case, I chose a cat. So the cat that I chose was this one here. So you just click that and it comes here. So I don't want it that big, so you just go to the corners and you bring it down. Now again, if let's click out of it. Now if you bring your mouse here, you can see that it's being highlighted, which means that that's um, in front of the animated falling stars. But I want the stars to fall in front of the cat as well. So what I do is, first of all, I'll click it to highlight it. I'll go to position up here and I'll put it center. Okay, so I want it to be in the center. The same as this one here, you know, it's already in the center, so that's fine. So now that it's in the center, I click it again, and this time I, I click backward. So when I click backwards, if you can see, the stars are now falling in front of the cat. And that's it. It's as simple as that. It's Very, very simple. Just to recap, you choose whichever template you want, whether you want a banner, you want an Instagram post, an Instagram story. Okay, you go to the home page, and that's where you choose what you want, right? And then you once it's here, you choose the background, you choose the animation, you go to elements, you type in what you want, and then you put in your graphics, whatever you want to do, and then you adjust the position. Of course, you want to put this in the middle, so center it, and then you can adjust whether you want the animation to be in front of the cat, behind the cat, whatever it is. So it's simple as that, and I hope you like it. Bye.